Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today, another crisis. So the zero has fell off my number plate, guys. This happened yesterday. So I went to the place I bought it from over a year ago, and yeah, they gave me one for free. They didn't charge me, so that's good. So I've got another replacement zero. It comes with a 3M sticky back, but when they originally put this on, it was glued on. So 3M is not going to hold it, so I'm going to put some glue on it, obviously, and stick that in place. Yeah, so let's have a look. So I'm going to clean everything up first and then stick it on. So here is a three layers of acrylic and then gel on top. It's called 3D 4D crystal gel, triple crystal something gel, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, this is from Number Plate Clinic. Thank you, Number Plate Clinic, for sorting me out this time. Last time, the first time, you did do my plates a bit. You did my plates not the way I wanted, not the style I wanted, and then your installer tried to scam me as well. So that was a bad experience. This is a good experience. So yeah, I guess they're okay now. So yeah, give me this for free. Can't really complain. Nice of them. Thank you, auntie, whoever gave me this. Very nice woman. So yeah, that's ripped off quite a bit, as you can see. Oh wait, that is a 3M backing or something. I feel it's quite sticky. But yeah, we bought some super glue, so I'm gonna put some super glue on it, on top of the 3M. Leave it stuck on so it doesn't happen again, because as you can see, this entire side had nothing on. That's why it probably fell off, and I'm hoping none of the letters fall off. I'm gonna clean it up and make sure nothing falls. If it does, I'm gonna stick it back on right now while I can. So I'm gonna do a torture test, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna clean everything up for now, and yeah, let's go ahead and do this and we'll sort it out. So the back is okay, obviously. Alright, and it is a bit bent, as you can see. That's because of the BMW shape. BMW's thingy keeps it like that, comes at an angle like that. But yeah, so yeah, what I'm going to be using to clean it is just a window cleaner, alcohol cleaners to get rid of the glue shit. That's just to clean the rest of it, the glass cleaner. Sorry. Cotton boards to get into the deep pockets, everything. We've got tissue, obviously, to wipe everything. I need to clean this as well. I'll clean that first, actually. It'll be the easiest thing. Fucking hell. And yeah, I'll quickly clean this up, guys, and then we'll continue. Well, guys, I'm going to be installing now. I've cleaned as much glue as I can. It's not the best job, but it is what it is. That's the best I can do. I tried my best with heat, everything, and yeah, it just doesn't want to come off. Took off most this side anyway. It's just whatever the fuck is left on this side. It's just like caramelized over time. Fully rock hard, guys. So yeah, we'll do what we can. Before that, I need to check the rock hard. No play, no movement. So I don't understand how the hell that one came off. Or did someone rob it? Who knows? But yeah, this is the glue we're going to be using. Boss Sticks, all-purpose, £1. I was going to use Loctite, but then this has good reviews as well. It's only £1. It's big as well, so come in handy in the future. So yeah, and it was in Asda, you know, so I thought, oh fuck it. Right, let me set up a nice camera angle for you guys, if I can. Nope, that's a pretty shit angle. Let's have a look. Nope, that's not working. I cannot put a camera. Let's hold it. Okay, my brother's gonna come hold it while I stick this on, and hopefully I get in the right place. So I'm gonna do a test fit. Higher. Away from there. So space. Okay, so that's where it sat before. So it's gonna sit about there-ish again. And they had about one middle finger, you know, distance in between. But I don't know how high to bring it, or high or low. That's too high there. Thinking maybe about there-ish.
Higher.
Not too low. Is the letter too small? Where did the end of this one end? It ended there, so that's where it was sat before here. Right there. What do you think? Is that too high?
It's alright.
Yeah. And you had one finger length, so I need to move to the right a bit. About there-ish. Yeah. It's better than having no license plate, I guess, so I might as well put it on. It does look a bit shorter than normal. Maybe they give me a shorter one, but it is what it is. Right, I'm going to take the 3M off now and get the super glue ready. So 3M, I think that's how it was stuck on before, but I'm sure they had some glue on as well. But before I do it, I'm going to quickly give you a wipe of the surface with the cleaner, glass cleaner. Make sure it's nice and clean, nothing stuck down. Oh bloody hell. Okay, now that there. Okay, now I've got the super glue ready. We'll stick the super glue onto here, but I don't want to get any of my hands, so I'm going to have to be careful. Pause it. Okay, got my super glue out. Oh no, it's already fucking spilling on my hand. There you go, no more strings. Bring this tissue down here if I need to. Right, so I'm not going to put too much on, but we'll put a decent amount on. So I'm going to go in like a zigzag pattern. Hopefully this will stick. Bloody hell. Come on, you bloody bastard. I have to wipe this with the tissue. This is a stringy ass glue, by the way. Fucking hell. That is stringy, bro. What the fuck? Has this even got date, bro? I don't know. Let's hope it does, otherwise we are fucked. Yeah, I'll stick this on now. There's not much glue on this side though. Oh, okay, I'll go for it anyway. So that's where the old one was sat, right there. So we're gonna go a bit to the right and up, and then we just wanna press it down and hold it there while the glue sets. Quite a slippery surface, so I don't know. Hopefully it fits. There, just hold it down. Wait for about 10 minutes. Just hold it for 10 minutes. Let it set, guys. Okay, but you can pause it now. Alright guys, because that is a heavy bottle, I've just left the bottle on top of it to hold it in place. So I will wait for 10 minutes for that. Yeah, we'll wait for 10 minutes and then I'll hold it for another 2 minutes myself. Just apply pressure. And yeah, I can always heat it up as well if I want to give it a better thingy, but hopefully it should be okay. So we'll let that sit, but always do more than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes actually, because it's always better to be sure, you know. So it's better keeping everything for a longer time. So we'll do 20 minutes instead of 10. Just sat there like that while I go eat, wash my hands because I got glue everywhere. That was the stringiest fucking glue I've seen in my life. Look at that. What kind of fucking glue is that? Well, apparently it's good for plastic, so it should be good. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully it should be good. We'll see if it holds. If it doesn't, then yeah, we're gonna lose another 0 again. we need another 0. But hopefully it should be alright. I can only hope for the best, guys. So I'll let that sit for a bit, and then after the 20 minutes up, I'm going to hold it down with my own hand with a lot of pressure for 2 minutes, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like after. So guys, I've stuck it down. First of all, what I did was, I showed you, I pushed that down, like held it with my hand for a bit, then I pushed it, put this on top and left it for 20 minutes, and then for another 10 minutes what I did was I put one on this side, one at the bottom end, and then I put this bottle on top to even apply more pressure. But yeah, it's solid now, doesn't wobble, doesn't move at all, holds on fine, nothing at all. So yeah, that's a job well done. And yeah, the spacing's okay. That's how much gap was before, just a fuck you sign, you know, that amount of space. But the height wise, I feel like they give me maybe a defective 0, you know, one they had from a old batch, because it isn't as long as the other ones. Can you see? Every other note is a bit slightly bigger. Maybe it's one of the defective ones, but I can't complain because it was free. So yeah, I'm not complaining at all when I needed it to help me out. Obviously you can see some glue marks. That's because I put a lot of glue on, just so it does stick. I do not want this flying off again, you know what I mean. So yeah, we got a lot of glue on there. And yeah, what I might do is yeah, solid, absolutely solid that. Right, so I'm just gonna give you one more wipe before I put it back on the car. So yeah, if your number plate letter falls off, that's how you fix it, guys. It would be better if you have the actual spacing things, but obviously I'm just at home, I don't have that stuff, and the company didn't want to put it on because the person wasn't in. And yeah, because I was driving around with no proper license plate, is something I just had to do. So yeah, it's not a bad attempt anyway. Look at it, it looks pretty decent to me. Looks straight, it looks nice and thingy, looks like it's where it was before. And it did help that I have the old guides on there from where the other letter was, where they put it on, placed it properly. So yeah, that helped as well. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Goodbye.